Creating amazing metal sculptures is so much fun, and it's a lot easier if you have the right tools. Today I'm going to share with you some of my sculptures and the tools and techniques that I use to get the results that you guys are seeing right here. First things first is the material. I use mostly scrap metal in my sculptures, and I source that from local scrap yards, and people drop stuff off in my driveway because they know what I'm doing with the metal. But when it's time, and some of my sculptures do call for new material, when it's time for that, I go to onlinemetals.com. I get it shipped right to my house. I can get all different kinds of material in all different lengths and sizes. I really deeply prefer Miller. They're so reliable, they're so dependable, and I can always count on these machines no matter how bad I beat the hell out of them. Sorry, Miller. No matter how bad I beat the hell out of these welders, they just continue to work year after year, and I love them. I am running the Millermatic 211. It is amazing. It runs on 110 or 220. I have taken this machine cross country. I have welded live at Sturgis with this machine. It takes a licking and keeps on ticking. So as you can see, my settings here, I run this constantly at this setting. I do not change my settings. And I run an 030 ER70S wire. I don't change that out either. No matter what I'm welding, thick or thin material, I personally find that that wire for me is just, it's perfect. It's where it is. Now, different welders will have different experiences. A lot of people play with their settings. I literally, that's where it's at. I don't play around with it or anything. Only abrasive products that I use, and I swear by them, is Welder Abrasives. I freaking love this company. They are absolutely incredible to work with as far as customer experience and in the quality of their product. It's just first class. And I don't mess with anything unless it's first class, right? I prefer Tiger Ceramic. Welder has a lot of different lines, but Tiger Ceramic for me is just, it's durable, long lasting, and you know, every penny counts when you're a maker and a creator, right? They have the hard stones, they have the cutoff discs, they have the smaller cutoff discs, they just have such a wide variety for all the different tools that I have. I've got a wide variety of tools. These are fun for me. They're mounted abrasive flap wheels, little mini flap wheels. I'll get you close in on that in just a second. Mini abrasive flap wheels, they allow me to texture, they allow me to smooth and grind and finish. And one of my favorite products of Welder, it's one that I use probably more than anything else, is the Tiger Angled. I freaking love this grinding disc. It's a flap disc, but it has an angled edge on it, which for me, I'm using a lot of, I'm grinding a lot of surface areas that have curves to it. Most of my stuff is at an angle, at a curve, or I need to round or smooth something. The Tiger Angled flap disc is freaking insane. I love it. I love it so much. And I'm so grateful to them for coming up with something that for me, it's just like, I've always used the flat flap discs. Finding the Tiger Angled, oh my gosh, it was a game changer for my art because it allowed me to get a better finish faster, smoother. I love flap discs. I love these flap discs because they let you hog off a lot of material and also get a really nice, smooth finish at the same time. You get the best of both worlds. Now, when it comes to running my abrasive products, I'm only using Chicago pneumatic tools. They have such a wide variety of tools that allow me to do my job so much easier. I have a lot of, I think I have like 3 different little 90-degree pneumatic die grinders. I freaking love these. I use these so much. I also have larger grinders that, like this is one I'm running my Tiger Angled on. 4.5 inch grinder. And I've got here, you can move the handle. I have got my straight die grinder. It just runs, I'm running, this is a double cut carbide burr bit. I use those burr bits in a lot of my finishing. I would love to see your art. Please share it with me. I love finding new favorite artists. You can email me at barbiethewelder@yahoo.com. Share your art with me. I'd love to see it. Talk to you guys soon.